Hello guys and welcome to another Minecraft Vanilla Data Pack showcase. The last time I showed you the Mine Factory Reloaded planter, fertilizer and harvester, and today I show you the OpenBlocks elevators, simply as that is just an iron block above an iron block. Who think that? Yeah, and just to teleport, just jump or sneak on that iron block and you see you get some fancy particles, a nice sound and the hunger effect. Yeah, and that's basically it. It's just iron blocks, jump and to sneak. But when you build such elevators, there's the most time here a wall, so you have to rotate yourself in the other direction, and that could be, yeah, really annoying. So there's another teleporter who also turns you 180 degrees around in this axis, not in this, but in this. So when I here place a gold block and then jump, you see, zack, I get turned around. So I started, it also works when you sneak, zack, I don't move the mouse, I just get turned around. And you see that works with relative coordinates, so you get not perfectly this way, but when you for example teleport and looking this way and then jump, you see you get 180 degrees turn around. And that's basically, it's very simple. And yeah, one thing is that it also checks if there's space to teleport. So when there's not error or something, you see nothing happens. So what it basically does, it checks about allowed blocks. So because that's not only air, but there also can be signs or maybe carpet, which give you space but is a block. So it also checks for this in the new tag function in the data packs. I'll show you later how it works. So you can see you could place a slab because it's not is the wall block, and you down up is always the iron block. So you can jump, but you can't sneak. You won't be teleported, but if you sneak there when there's a red carpet, you could teleport both ways. So this way you could always make a one-way elevator. So it always only works upwards. So basically that was it. You can install when you place the zip in your data pack folder of your save file. I put the download link in the description, and now if you're interested, I'll show you in the editor how it works. So here we are on our setup function, the function which is only called once when the world is loaded. And here we add two objectives, one with the one from the type jump and one from the type sneak time. So that basically triggers when you jump or when you sneak. Yeah, that was it. So in the main function, which is called every tick, we check at the random player for accuracy at S. Basically if we jump, so if the jump score matches 1 or above, and if there is a block iron under me when I use the not rotated teleport, or a gold block when I use the rotated teleport. The same for sneaking, but it's only with the sneak scoreboard. And after that, after every check, we reset our score. So that was the main function. So the teleport function basically check if it's in range a teleport block. So for the not rotated teleport, there is an iron block, and you see the range basically, but you easily can change that if you copy paste some lines and change the numbers. And what it does is the one magic, it uses the tags, so you don't have to check if there is a block for every block, but you can only check this one and use this new tag feature. So it basically checks if there is one of all the blocks you have listed in a JSON file. So it looks like this, and currently I have the air block, and I use the Minecraft built-in tag signs for signs and the built-in tag for carpet. So it's very cool that you also could use tags in tags. It saves you many lines. Yeah, and then if there is the block you found the teleport block and there is space, then run the teleport command positioned, and we use that because when you look at the teleport command, we teleport at the same location. So that's for that we not have to write our own teleport command for every range. Yeah, that's really cool. And here's the teleport command. So we spawn some cool particle, play a nice sound, and then we teleport upwards. Remember that we have a positioned command so that we virtually at another position, and then give a hunger effect for nerf it. So, and that was the whole magic. For the rotated blocks there is nearly the same. So in the teleport rotated down function you see that's a gold block instead an iron block, and in the rotated up function you see the same. Yeah, but with the gold block and if the rotated teleport you see it's nearly the same, but the teleport command is another. So this is for the rotation. So it's really nice that you can give a specific rotation when you teleport, and we use it, yeah, and use it here. And so you see it's relative to me. It asks the entity to run the command, and it's relative to 180 degree. Yeah, that was it. I hope you learned something or find it useful. See you next time. Bye.